while it's working, that is. Sweet. Okay, looks like it's live.
Awesome.
So I have my textbook open and the quiz. I tried to go through as many as I could before the whole group call thing, so I didn't get quite as far because it worked. But let's start number 3.
Yeah. So for number 3, I got 1.
Yeah, I clicked the little applet and you just make all the sections blue. It looks like to me.
Can you say that again? What did you?
If you hit the link to the normal probability applet, select each of the 3 sections and make them all blue, and the area equals 1. That's the entire area under the bell curve.
Oh, okay.
Do you type in just 1 or do you do 1.0? Or does it matter?
I'm sure you could do both, but I just put 1.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
With number 4, I think that was a no. I don't think a normal distribution.
I put false.
Yeah, it's false.
Cool. Number 5, I think is true.
Yeah, I got true.
True. I agree.
Number 6, I thought was C.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes. Wait, you said C?
Yeah, C.
C, okay.
Yeah, just the little boxes underneath the curve.
C is a cat.
Yeah.
Not B as in boy. I agree.
But number 7, I think, is B as in boy. So.
Yes, B as in boy.
Okay. I agree.
Microphones are weird, so that's totally fine.
Yeah.
With number 8, I wasn't able to look at yet, so.
Okay. I got 68.
I also got 68 because in the reading it said 68 is within 1, 95 is within 2, 99.7 is the one within 3.
That makes sense.
So I put
do you just put 68 or 0.68?
0.68.
As a percentage.
Yeah,
Yeah, he wants it as a percentage, so just 68. If you put in the percent sign, it won't work. I already tried. Just put 68.
Hey, Jordan, did you already submit or no?
No, I didn't submit. No.
Okay. So like one of us can submit and see which answers are right or wrong, and then the rest can change accordingly. Is that how it works, or?
You could do that, yeah.
I hadn't thought about that, but yeah.
Like we could each take a turn, you know. You burn your one submission, and then.
That's funny. Yeah.
Might get to that point.
That's funny. That's funny. Getting around the system.
So, how did you know that it wouldn't take the percent sign?
When you try to press save, I just
it won't let you.
try to press save. If you press save with the percent sign, it won't let you.
Okay.
Cool. With number 9, I used the applet again, and I just wait. No, what did I do? I think I just selected all of them, but I have 0.6827.
0.683.
Oh, yeah.
He wants it
Rounding
at
to
3
the 3.
decimal places.
So how do you type -1? You have to do it on the amplet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you
just down at
type
the bottom.
-1 on the z-score thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1. And then which areas have to be shaded?
Just the middle.
Just the middle one, because it's between -1 and 1, so it'll be just the middle one.
So it's 6.683?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense.
And then With number 10, you do the same thing, but instead you put -2, and I got 955.
Yeah, 0.955.
Mm.
Okay, I was doing the left and the middle. That's why I was getting it wrong.
Oh, okay.
Did you get that same answer, Tiffany?
Yeah, I did.
Number 11, I got 0.997.
Me too.
Me too.
Same.
12, I put A.
Me too.
Yep.
This is where the fun begins.
I was going to say, and this is where I just stopped because I didn't have time to actually look at it. So I was like, okay. Let's see.
So is this where we do the, let's see, the z equals x minus population divided by the deviation? Is that the
Yes.
formula we use?
Exactly.
Okay.
So, like for the first one, you just take the 60 that they give us, subtract the mean, and then divide the whole thing by the standard deviation.
So you go 65 minus 60?
No, 60. 60
60
minus 65.
Oh,
You start with the one that they give you, and then you subtract the mean.
okay.
My phone is my calculator, but it is also my light.
Did you get negative 7.714?
Yeah. And then you take that and put it into the applet thing.
Oh,
And that's the z thing.
right.
Okay, can
And
you
then-
guys do that one more time? 'Cause so you go
Yeah.
the 60 minus 65, like the mean.
Yeah, 60 minus 65, and then divide it by 0.07, which is the standard deviation.
And are you only, when you plug it into the amplet, you only want the middle section highlighted?
You only want the left section because that's less than 0.60.
Oh, okay. So 0.238.
Yeah, that's what I got.
So wait, I put the, okay, no, say that again. Oh, left of it. My bad. Okay, 0.237. Or, I mean, 8, yeah.
Yeah.
0.238.
Yeah, I forgot to round.
So if it's less, you do the left side.
Yes.
If it's more, you do the right side.
Mhm.
When do you do the middle? Ever?
It just depends. If they say in between two different points, then it'll be in between those 2 points. But if they say just more than this, then it'll just be everything to the right of it. For example, for question 14, it's 60 again, so you can use the exact same numbers, but it'll be the middle and the right section because it's just everything more than the 0.60.
Mm-hmm. So is that the 0.762?
Exactly.
That makes sense.
Wait, what was the number again?
0.762.
The
That's
Or
weird. I
what's-
got that one right, and I'm like, I don't even know.
No, that was skill.
I'll take
That was
it.
knowledge, Jordan. You're fine. Totally.
We hit save
oh, you
quick.
got it.
Very quick. Push save. Okay. All right. So now you just do 0.70 minus 0.65.
Yeah.
Divided by 0.07.
Yeah.
So you get 0.714 again?
Yeah, you get the same thing.
Okay. And then for that one, you do the right side?
It's less, so it'll be everything to the left of it.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be the middle and the left.
0.762.
0.762.
Yep, it'll be the same as the last one.
So,
Okay, So with this one, you do each one separately. So you do 0.60 minus 0.65 divided by the 0.07, right? And then you do that again with the 70.
Yeah, but we already did both of them, and it's the same thing.
Yeah. So then it's just
0.72.
Yeah. So basically, it's this. Just leave the applet the same way, but only fill in the middle one.
the 525.
Yeah.
For which problem? 16?
Yeah. 16.
0.525. So you said just leave the middle. Yeah.
So with the number 17, do you just type in 0.35 in the area?
I wasn't sure how to
Yes.
do one.
Wait.
So you're saying 0.35 on the z-score in the leaflet or amplet or whatever?
The area.
In the area on the top.
Oh,
And then let's see. I think, would you highlight to the right or would you highlight to the left along with the middle?
It'd just be on the right. Oh wait. I can't remember, how did I do this one?
I don't think there would be anything less than 35.
It
No,
won't be less.
it doesn't matter. It's just what the z-score is, because that's the percentile.
So
so we're
do you put
talking
it
45?
negative or do you put the positive?
Huh?
Do you put it in as a negative or a positive?
Put it in as positive.
It would be the 0.454. Oh no.
0.385.
Oh, you're doing from the top area?
Yeah, so you put in the 35 into the area on the top, and then the percentile will be the z-score.
I still got 0.454.
So did I for the z-score. But you said, so it says 325 on the top area.
325?
But in the area you need to put 0.35.
Yeah, that's what I put too.
When you put 0.35 and hit enter, your z-score is what?
454.
Really? Because mine's 385.
So is mine.
How are you
Oh,
doing to? Oh,
mine's
wait, just to the
385.
left or to the right?
To the right.
No, it doesn't matter. Just the z-score stays the same.
It doesn't show which one you have. It's still going to be the same.
You can have all of them unchecked or all of them checked.
Yeah, mine's still coming up as the 0.454. I don't know
wait.
why.
I'm sorry. To begin, you need to have only the right one filled in. Or only the left one. And then you type in the 35.
Okay, I have the 0.385 now.
Okay, there you go.
How come
Sorry
that
about that.
matters?
Because when they want the 35th percentile, you want the top 35% of them. And so the top 35% is all the ones from the right with an area of 0.35. And so you need to change the area on the right to an area of 0.35 and then check the z-score. And that's just the very lowest number that you have that's in the top 35%.
Okay, I guess that makes sense. So then the same thing with the ADS. Highlight one of the sides. And this is 0.8.
So is the last one 0.842?
Yeah.
0.842.
That's what I got was 0.842.
That's what I got.
But for that one, I wasn't sure if it would be negative or positive.
I think it would still be positive. Wouldn't it? All of them I feel like are positive, but I don't know.
I'm pretty sure in the book they did an example of one and they kept it as positive, but it still just doesn't make sense to me because the 80th percentile would be the top 80%, but the top 80% includes the negative numbers, and so the very lowest score in the top 80% would be a negative number in this.
But couldn't you just re-highlight the other two, like the ones to the side, and the Z sort stays the same? So
Yeah,
I don't know if that makes sense.
yeah, but there's two Z scores. One's positive and one's negative. But I think we should just keep it as positive.
I think we should keep it positive too, but
Here, I'll submit it and tell you guys.
He's gonna take one for the team.
One sec.
The anticipation is killing you.
What would you guys put for 16 again? I erased it. Was it like 5 something 5?
0.762.
For 16 it's 0.762.
No, it's
That's what I have.
0.5.
It's 525.
Okay, that's right.
Sorry.
I erased it. Oh, yeah.
Didn't we have, but the 14 and 15 are 0.762.
Huh.
Yeah, but it's in between the two. So instead of selecting the right or the left, it's just the middle.
Okay, so we missed 17 and 18.
Were all the rest of them right?
Yeah, all the rest of them are right, but we missed 17 and 18.
Goodness.
I'm in the textbook. And you have to solve it as an equation. Like you have to solve for x. We were right in how to calculate the z-score. The z-score is, but that's not the percentile.
Oh, it's not?
We have to find the probability, I think. The x, whatever x is, I can't remember what it is right now.
Do you have the equation on you?
Oh, x is the mean.
Mean.
Right.
So it's the average minus the but that doesn't make sense because we don't have that information. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think I get it now.
It's having the z equals x minus the fancy u over the fancy o. Can't remember what it's called. But we don't have x, is what they said. So we have to solve for x.
Right. Okay, I understand. So you have to put 0.385 equals x minus whatever the 60 or 65.
The
X minus 65 divided by 0.07 and then solve for x.
where did why 0.65? Sorry, I missed that one.
Because it's the same. We're using the same information that we used on the last 3 questions.
Oh, okay. See, that's what I didn't know. I was like, I didn't know if we were doing the use the same stuff. Oops. Let me see.
Did you guys work that? Did you work it out already, or are you doing it?
I'm doing it right now.
Me too.
I mean, was that 0.65?
Algebra.
Wait, what did you get just now?
I haven't gotten an answer yet.
I haven't either.
So 0.385 equals x minus 65 divided by 0.07.
It had to be
And we're solving for x.
It has to be 0.65.
Let me make sure I did that right.
0.3. Was it 0.65 minus the 0.60? I mean 0.60 minus
I thought you said it was 0.65 divided by 0.07.
I got 1.035. Anyone else?
How did you get that?
So we're doing, okay, so it's 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 divided by 0.07.
Yeah.
So I times 0.07 on both sides.
Did you get 0.0270?
So I took 0.385 times 0.07.
0.0270.
So 0.02695 equals
And then
oh,
okay.
0.07.
I have 0.6770.
I'm probably just not doing my algebra right. Did you guys all get the same answer?
I'm still working on it. 'Cause I got something different at first.
Yeah. So when when I
What about you,
find
Jordan? Are you still working on it?
I don't know if this is right, but I got 0.07245. Am I way off?
I got 0.6770.
Well, we have 3 different answers. What about you, Jordan?
I haven't.
Did you get any of those?
I haven't done it yet. I need to. I was going back to answer the rest of the questions on the quiz.
Oh, you have to redo it. Dang.
Yeah. But
You should have just. We could have just told you the answers.
what was number 10 again?
10.955.
9.
Okay, so this is how I solved the problem.
Okay.
I don't know if it's right. So just to clarify, 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 over 0.07.
Yes, that's what I have.
So I timed the 0.385 by 0.07.
Yes, I did that as well.
You multiplied it?
Okay. And I got that to equal 0.0270.
So I got
We're not supposed to
0.0265.
round.
I didn't round. It's just what my calculator has. Maybe my calculator rounded it funny.
Probably.
I'll try it again. 0.0.
Jordan, did you get 02695?
Yes.
0.02. Okay.
Yeah,
that's
now
what
I got it
because
on
I think
my calculator. So.
Okay.
02695, and that equals x minus 0.65.
Well,
So
don't you have to multiply both sides by 0.07?
Yeah, that just gets rid of the division of the problem, I thought.
But wouldn't it be equals 0.07x minus 0.65 times 0.07, whatever that is?
I don't
Or
think
is that not
so,
correct?
because
Oh,
we
I
just
think when you're
canceled out the
timing this,
0.07.
yeah,
oh, okay.
yeah,
So that's what I did wrong.
okay. And then I added the 0.65 to the 0.02695. 02695. And I got 67695.
Wait, 6, 7?
Yes, 695.
Yep, I got that.
Sorry, can you do that one more time because I must have missed something. Okay, so you've got a 0.02695 equals x minus 0.65, right?
Yeah. And then I added 0.65 to the 0.02695.
0.02695 plus 0.65.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, got it.
So 67695 is what I got for that.
Okay,
All right.
but that's
what I
not
got
the
too.
answer. That's only one part of it, right?
I believe so. And then you have to, let's see. No, actually, let's see. No, actually, I think that's it. That's the answer for it.
Yeah, that should be the answer.
Yeah.
Well, what did you guys get?
0.6795.
0.67. What?
695.
So you have to round. So
What do
it'd
you
be
round?
0.67
0.67 what?
0.677.
Okay.
And that's for 17.
Yeah.
Correct.
0.677.
Hey, what do we get for 16 again?
0.525.
And 15?
0.762.
762.
62. 14?
0.762.
Right. And 13?
0.238.
0.238? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I have.
For which one?
Did everyone
13?
have- Yeah.
0.238.
Okay. Sweet.
And 11
Okay.
is 0.997.
Yeah, I got that one. Thanks.
That too.
Okay, so
So
now
then on 18.
For 18, I have it set up as the 0.842 equals x minus 0.65 over 0.97.
Okay.
I got 0.70894.
that's what I got
That's
too.
what I got. So then it would be 0.709.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Whose turn is it to submit? My turn?
Sure.
Go for it.
All right. And submit. Oh, so 18 is correct. 17 is not.
Really? What did we get for 18 again?
18?
0.709.
709. Okay, that's what I got.
And 17, I got 0.677.
Is that what you put too, Jordan?
Yeah, I put 0.677.
Okay, so how do we have the...
I'm going to
Yeah, that's-
retry that curve. Yeah.
Was
Is
it a
that
rounding error?
0.385 not right?
It might have been a rounding error. Shoot, what did... I'm going to check the
I'm checking the curve again.
score again.
The z-score still the 0.385.
Maybe on the curve we have to highlight the left side instead of the right side. I don't know.
The z-score will stay the same though.
Oh,
The
yeah.
area will change.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
285, yeah.
I'll check the math one more time.
So you had it set up 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 over 0.07, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Jordan, you might have to do the math. But we did it the same with 18, so I don't understand.
Yeah, I
I
don't know.
got the same I got the same answer.
It says 0 out of 1. I don't know. Well, we have 2 more tries.
Just don't, because we did the exact same. So
Wait, what?
that's why I'm confused.
I got 0.677 as well, so I don't know. Are you sure that it says 18 is correct? Because I feel like it's more of a chance that 18
So
would be wrong.
my overall grade, I got 19 out of 20, so I got 95%. So the only one that's wrong is 17. Didn't give me any points.
Are you sure it wasn't 18?
Yep, I'm like 100% positive. I can take a picture if you want.
That'd be nice.
The only proof we can accept.
I'm not lying.
I wonder, it just doesn't make sense because, like I said, we did it the same way on number 18. But
that point is correct because that's 35th percentile.
Maybe.
Just to make sure, it wouldn't matter if it was negative or positive, right? Like that's correct, right?
I'm gonna try it out.
Oh, maybe that is it.
Negative.
Maybe that is negative.
That's what I'm doing right now.
So
negative 385.
All right. So the question is, how do I retake it?
Be 0.623 if it were negative.
Yeah, that's what I got if you have it as a negative too. 0.623, right?
Yeah, 0.623.
should we try that one?
Sure, that's the only thing I can think of that would make it different.
0.623.
Yeah, so
And that's
who wants to do
negative.
it this time?
I'll submit it.
Volunteers, tribute.
Moment of
That was it. That's the right answer.
It is?
0.623.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we got 100%, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
How
Jordan,
do we
did
know
you-
when to do negative or a positive on the z-score? Like, that doesn't make sense to me.
It's probably just
lower
if
than
it's less,
50%.
if it's less than the 50th percentile, then it'd be negative, and if it's more, then it's positive. Or 50
Which
or
is
more.
weird because weren't we talking earlier it was above that it would be negative? Isn't that what you were saying earlier? Because it was the 80th and you thought it would be negative.
I still feel like that's right, but I doubt that the teacher made a mistake on the quiz, but who knows. But it does make more sense to me that the 80th percentile would be the negative one, because I don't know. That's just how I feel.
Well, can you guys give me the answer starting on problem 6?
Yeah. 6 is C.
Okay.
7 is B. 8,
Okay.
68.
Okay.
9 is 0.683. 10 is 0.955.
Okay.
11 is 0.997. Number 12 is the first one. The values match the 68.95, 99.7 rule. 13 is 0.238. 14.
0.38. Okay.
14 is 0.762.
Same for 15.
16 is 0.525.
0.525.
And then 17 is 0.623. And then 18 is 0.709.
Just so 14 and 15 were the same answer, right? Just making sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Cool.
So
there are 18 questions in total, right?
Yeah.
yes.
Awesome.
So so we do this every Tuesday and every Thursday,
Yeah,
and so we have a quiz Tuesday and a quiz Thursday,
exactly.
and so we do that as a group, and then we have 2 quizzes on our own that we take,
Exactly.
and that's it for the week. We have 2 sections pretty much that we read, and
Exactly. Yep. Just the 2 each week.
sweet. So we don't have to like go to a discussion board and type things, or we just meet as with each other.
After this, you should go to the discussion board, and Kanisha will put the link to our video, and then you just put a reply and just say I was at the group meeting.
Oh, perfect.
I probably need to.
Yeah.
I
And-
add all your names when I first initially post, so it should give them an idea even if you don't answer.
He said he
But
still.
I think he did say to answer. Yeah.
Yeah, he said just to do a simple I was there reply to her post.
Gotcha.
And it's just in the,
Where do you
it's just
find those posts at?
It's in the same folder that the quiz is in. So if you go to the content and just go to the week and then the lesson, it'll have one that was like the group collaboration, I think. And just go there, you'll find Kanisha's post and you'll reply to it just saying that you were there. And you'll do that for each lesson.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me like 5 minutes after the group's over and it'll be posted. So. All right. Well, does anybody have any questions, or are you all?
No. So
Not right
Tuesday
now.
at 6 o'clock? Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be fine. 6 on Tuesday. Hopefully.
Works for me.
Let
Okay.
me double check one thing. I don't want to mess up on this. So the 10th. Yeah, no, the 10th should be fine.
Okay.
When is our first test? I guess I need to read the syllabus.
I have no idea.
That's the scary thing. I have no idea.
Let's just not talk about that. Just kidding.
Yes.
If we don't talk about it, then maybe.
Maybe it'll go away.
Yeah, no. Next week on Tuesday and Thursday should be fine. So no issues. And if there's ever a problem with one of those days, we can meet on a different day of the week. We just have to meet twice. So that would go.
Sounds good to me.
Cool. Okay. Well, 6 o'clock on the 10th.
See you on Tuesday.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.